Hi, Sandy Thompson here, and I'm the host of a video series called Have You Seen Sandy? And in my Have You Seen Sandy videos, you'll find me out and about talking about the people, places, and the things of Pittsburg and Kemp County, Texas. In today's episode, you'll find me at Pittsburgh's beautiful splash pad at Fair Park. And so we're lucky today, we got a lot of kids here playing, so we're going to see how much fun they're having. But nothing says summer fun more than hanging out at the park and playing in the water, and Pittsburgh's splash pad is a great way to beat the heat. The splash pad at Fair Park is located at 303 North Texas Street in Pittsburg, Texas. This park sits on 20 acres and is right across the street from the Pittsburg High School. Fair Park has many amenities that will help you get through the summer, and one being this lovely splash pad behind me. The splash pad has in-ground and spray activities, full concession stand with snow cones, candy, snacks, drinks, all at very reasonable prices. There's air-conditioned men and women's room and 3 covered pavilions with electricity and Wi-Fi, just like I'm under now. So parents, you can bring your computer and sit under the shaded pavilion and do a little work while the kids splash behind you in the splash pad. Pittsburgh Splash Pad is typically open from April to mid-September. Summer hours here at the splash pad are Monday through Thursdays, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m., Fridays and Saturdays, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Sundays, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. A day pass only costs $3 per child and $3 per adult. You can buy a family season pass if you'd like to come like every day this summer, and they're very affordable as well. You can also reserve the splash pad for your private event or bring a field trip here. There are other amenities here at the park. We have 2 ball fields, a lighted tennis court, 2 grade school playgrounds, 2 swing sets, 2 toddler playgrounds, and there's also a concrete walking path throughout the park with benches so that parents or grandparents can sit in the shade and watch the kids play. There's a half-court basketball court and a huge open green spaces around us for more running and playing. Another cool amenity to this park is a 2-acre fishing pond that you see right here behind me. Kids can fish in this pond year-round, but in February, this pond is stocked with fish, and the Parks Department comes out with hundreds of fishing poles, and we just have a day of family fishing fun, and it's called Kid Fish, so be watching for that in February of 2024. I'm a grandmother now, but when I had small kids at home, we loved summertime. We would sleep in, and every day we'd go on adventures by hitting up the park, the pools, the lakes, and the splash pads around us. So moms and dads, these summer days with the kids pass by so quick, so don't miss out. Come out to Fair Park in Pittsburg, Texas, and have a little summer fun. For more information about the splash pad, season passes, and reservations for your private event at the splash pad, go to www.pittsburghtx.gov, look under departments, and then Fair Park. And if you'd like to keep up with what's happening in Pittsburgh this summer, like and follow our Facebook Visit Pittsburgh Facebook page. All right, everybody, have a fun summer.